Okay, but I will eat these things out of limit, then slowly I will get bored of the sweets. It simply means I am out of interest. But what is the commitment? Commitment is no matter I am interested or not interested, I have to do the things. Try to understand this thing. If you are committed to something, so you have to do, you have no other alternative, you have no other plans. You can change your interest, but you can't change your commitment. Okay, and you know, there is a famous dialogue of Salman Khan. If I think that was, यदि मैंने एक बार कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. Yeah, this is the power of commitment. Commitment means you are committed to something. So first of all, use your mind, make a solid point and committed to that thing. And committed or committion is a thing that gives you positive result. You can change your interest. I told you, you can change your interest, but you can't change your complement, your responsibility. So come to the point, to take the advantage of, to take the profit of, to take the gain. Okay. So actually, suppose you are in a positive time. You are getting good things, good news from every direction. So you can say, I am taking the advantage. Taking the advantage means if you are in your positive time, you are in your good time. So you use that good time, because time is a natural thing. And I told you in my last class that the alter, it means, tell me, it means change. It means change. Alter. Change is a very common word. Okay, change is a very common word and very natural speakable word. But alter. In English, if you speak new things, new words, new sentences, you are considered as a good and standard and tough English speaker by the society. So I am not saying don't be using simple words, but if you are good in simple words, improve your skill. Okay, we wish every time to take new dish. Okay, every time. We don't want to eat potatoes daily. Okay, why? Because we will get bored of potatoes. This is the nature of mind. Mind is the head. And what is a head? Head means supreme thing. That's why it is called head. So this body is the servant of this head. Okay, so give positive orders to this engine, to this head, to this principle, and your whole body, your hands, your eyes, your tongue, your lips will do according to the mind. Okay, so alter, change. Alter means change. So if you are having good time, if you are enjoying positive time of your life, then please take the advantage of that time, because time is a thing which will change very quickly. So take the advantage of it, take the profit of any situation, take the profit of any circumstance, take the profit of any person, take the profit of your good time. And the last one is to lose ground. To lose ground. To lose ground means to suffer. I am cleaning it. If you missed it, then please rewind the video and you can make note out of it. So to lose ground means to suffer loss. To suffer loss. Loss is a part of life. Loss is a part of business life. Loss is a part of student life. Actually, loss is a thing which increases the joy of profit. If you never see loss, then you don't know what is the happiness of profit. Okay, so positive and negative, these are the two portion of a balance. And what is balance? Taraju, balance. Okay, so to lose ground means to suffer loss. To suffer loss. You are a student and you are a student of intermediate. And I am not saying this but maybe you will get negative results after the declaration of result. Then what will you see or what will you feel? I lose the ground. Sorry for this. You lose the ground. So never lose the ground, because time is a created thing. You can't earn more time. I told you in my last video, you can't earn more time, but you can earn more money. Okay? So let's take a quick revision of these 10 idioms and try to use these idioms in your daily discussion. And I am telling you again and again, I am forcing you. The more you use, the more these words belong to you. Okay? So the screw loose means to have mental defect. Remember, this is not medical defect. Okay? This shows the nature of your mind. If you are committing the same mistake again and again and again, it means you are a screw loose person. Never be like this. Okay? A square meal, complete bhojan. If you are in a marriage party, or you are having a huge grand buffet system. So these places are square meal places. Okay? So must enjoy it. Salt of the earth. Important part of a thing. Important part. You know, you are a student, your books, your notebooks, your pen are the salt of your student life. Okay, so if you have any important thing, then you can say this is the salt of earth. Safe and sound. What is the meaning of safe and sound? Safe and sound means completely safe. Safe from everything, bad people, bad situation, and also financial problems. This type of problem in India increasing very fast, very rapidly. And you are the people. If you will do new things, you know, I wrote a chapter in a first year book, The Alien Planet Earth, written by Nani Palkiwala. You all are a student of intermediate, and you might have known, I think, that last year the first year syllabus got changed. So there is a new lesson, The Alien Planet by Nani Palkiwala, and he said in that book that more people means not more people for work. More people means more unemployed person. Okay, more people out of work. So you already know we are the number second rank in the matter of population. So it doesn't matter if we are creative, if we are a quick learner, if we are devoted, committed to good things, then our country can become great. Okay, and I think you might have studied this thing in 10th class, that no country can become great until the citizen of that country will not become great. So we are the citizens of India, and feel the responsibility of good citizen. Shortcut, easy way. Never be an easy way. I told you in class that deep confusion, deep knowledge. Shallow confusion. Shallow means light. Shallow knowledge. Okay, so same thing. Shortcut. Shortcut gives you short success, but a long, slow and steady wins the race. This is the saying of, this saying is much older. We are in 4G, 5G generation. We are, running very fast. So this proverb, this saying is getting something mistaken by the people. So slow and steady wins the race, it is good, but smart work and plus hard work and follow the good path makes you better. So shortcut and easy way. I have next idiom, and it is called spur of the moment. Spur of the moment means at once, instantly, quickly. Okay, this type of action shown by the child, little child. Child wants everything at the same time. If he wished a toffee to their parents, then definitely he need that pleasure at once. Otherwise, he shows tantrum. You know what is tantrum? Tantrum is drama type of thing. Summer friends, a friend of happy days. Never have these type of friends, summer friends, and never be summer friends. Try to become fast friend, awesome friend, supportive friend. To blot out, to finish, to destroy, to remove. So never blot out your hard work. Take the advantage of, to take the profit of, okay? To take the good use of your thing, your money, your time, etc. So, and the last one is to lose the ground, to suffer loss. Okay, this sentence is very popular in business field, in trade field. So we are also common people, and we also can face to lose ground. But if we are positive person, if we are always optimist, then we don't face it. Okay. So this is our today's class, students. Actually, I am not feeling good. So I hope you enjoyed this class, and if you like this class, then please, my dear online student, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel, and please do share this educational video in your every WhatsApp, FB, everywhere, and support this channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.